Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the Samsung air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, and with its help we can turn the air conditioner on and off. We use the mode button to change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: auto, cooling, drying, fan, and heating mode. Most air conditioner users mainly use the cooling mode. For this reason, we will start with explanation first. We press the mode button several times, and when the cursor stops in front of the snowflake, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 24 degrees Celsius. It is not advisable to stay in a room with a temperature below 22 degrees Celsius for a long time, as it can cause colds. With the help of the fan speed button, we can change the speeds of the air conditioner fan. This air conditioner has 5 speeds: low, medium, high, very high, and auto. You can choose a low fan speed so that the fan sound does not bother you in the bedroom. It is recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 25 degrees Celsius for the air conditioner to save energy. To switch to other modes of the air conditioner, we press the mode button again. Stop the cursor in front of the water drop symbol. This is the drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again. The cursor stops in front of the fan icon. This is the fan mode, and in this mode the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press mode button again and switch to heating mode. In this mode, we keep the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. Setting the air conditioner fan speed to auto fan speed mode in heating mode will allow the air conditioner to work efficiently, because in this case the fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor. The air conditioner evaporator will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to auto fan speed mode, we press the fan button several times, and when this movement appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to this mode. We press the mode button again, and the cursor stops in front of the symbol. Now the air conditioner is in auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature in the house at the set level. For example, let's say we have set the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius. In this case, if the temperature is above 25 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner will work in cooling mode, and if it is below, the air conditioner will work in heating mode. We return to cooling mode by pressing the mode button once more. The air conditioner also has other buttons. When the 1 hour button is pressed while the air conditioner is running, the air conditioner will turn off after 1 hour. To exit this mode, you need to press the power button. When the remote control is in standby mode, the air conditioner will turn after 1 hour. When the turbo button is pressed, the air conditioner will operate at the highest speed for 15 minutes, and the cooling will intensify. After this time, it returns to the previous fan mode. With the help of this button, we can raise the temperature. With this button, we can lower it. The flap button of the air conditioner is used to move its blinds or stop them in any position. When the energy saving button is pressed, this thing appears on the screen. In this mode, the energy consumption of the air conditioner is reduced. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. Sometimes, when we get ready to sleep, we set the temperature to 21-22 degrees Celsius. Sleeping in a room with such a temperature can cause a cold. It is possible to get rid of this problem by using the sleep button. When this button is pressed, the moon and star icons appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree after 2 hours and again by 1 degree after a few hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. Now I will explain how to use the timer mode. The timer on mode is for turning on the air conditioner at any time. For example, we leave the house at 8 a.m. and return at 7 p.m. If we want our house to cool down before we get home, when we press the timer on button, set it to 10 hours and confirm with the set button. Our air conditioner will turn on at 6 p.m. and when we return home, our house will be cooler. To exit this mode, we need to press the cancel button. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off after 5 hours, we press the timer off button and after setting it to 5 hours, we press the set button to confirm. To exit this mode, we need to press the cancel button. Thank you for watching us until the end.